All right, everyone. This video hopefully will show you how to set up your walking lab. It's called foot traffic. So you can see that I have put a mark on the floor that says 0 meters. And then since I have access to a meter stick at school, I measured my distances with a meter stick. To do that, you have to do kind of like a piggyback thing where you put down the meter stick and you mark it with your finger and you do, your second meter, and then you do 3 all the way down to 6. So you were asked to measure some different increments along the way. Here we have the 3 meter mark, and then here we have the 6 meter mark. So give you an idea, you're familiar with how big the classroom is. That's how far we go for the 6 meters. Now, I've asked my lab assistant here, Robin, to help you see how to do this activity. So you can see that on the screen, I have an online stopwatch. You could use your phone or you could use this stopwatch. I will link it for you on the Google Classroom in case you need to use the Chromebook like this. I have also flipped the camera around, so I'm looking at the keyboard and the screen, and the camera is pointing in the opposite direction of me. So Robin's going to show you how to get started. Go ahead to the starting line. And then I'm going to count down, and she's going to walk at a normal pace to the 3 meter marking. Ready, set, go. All right, so that took 4 seconds to go to the 3 meter mark. So I would write that down. Go back to the beginning. I'm going to clear this out. And we're going to do this again, and she's going to walk all the way through to the 6 meter mark. Ready, set, go. So about 6 seconds to get to the 6 meter mark. Thank you, Robin. You can go back to the beginning. So I would write down the 6 meter mark. Now she's going to hop from the 0 mark to the 3 meter mark. Ready, set, go. So 2 seconds. Go back to the beginning. And now we're going to go all the way to the 6 meter mark. Ready, set, go. So 5 seconds. So the reason that I had Robin demonstrate this for you is there's a couple different ways that you can go about completing this task. You can either do the walking yourself. Like I'm going to come over here to the 0 meter mark, because if I'm all by myself, I don't have someone to record for me. So I'm going to do 3, 2, 1, go for myself to the 6 meter marking. 3, 2, 1, go. This is a little bit more difficult because you have to watch for the ending point and hit the start and stop button at the same time, but it is workable. So it's up to you what you want to do. You can either try to record yourself doing this activity with your phone and, push the start and stop button on your own. Or you can have a sibling help you, either as the lab assistant or the timer. It's better if you have 2 timers, but if you're on your own, do to 3 meters and then start again and go to 6 meters and record those different ways of moving.